Since taking office in the late 2017, following the ousting of long-time leader Robert Mugabe, President Mnangagwa promised a new era of economic reform and political stability. Sana mashoko panapa achakizwa mtungamiri wenyika chinzi aiwa panguva inoi mtungamiri wenyika achipinda in power up 2017 akapromisa vanhu aiwa zvinhu zvakanga zvasikuonekwa kunzi these guys vakanga vari determined but panguva inoi kuri kwakunzi they were just wasting our time. Subscribe or like out on the bell kuti ivina panapa paendo exombanyora chiti. However, more than 5 years later, his administration has faced criticism over its failure to deliver on these promises. Economic challenges marked by hyperinflation, unemployment, and a collapsing healthcare system have left many Zimbabweans disillusioned. The lack of basic services and the rampant corruption have further exacerbated. A prominent voice in the chorus for change is Vice President Chiwenga, a former military general who played a pivotal role in the Operation Restore Leaders that brought Mnangagwa to power. His military background and strong hand approach resonate with the segments of the population who yearn for decisive leadership that can restore order and foster economic recovery. Chiwenga has indicated a willingness to step into a leadership role and could potentially unify a dividend party, ZANU-PF, which has faced internal fractures under Mnangagwa's leadership. Moreover, Chiwenga's leadership may signal a return to stability for the ruling party, which has struggled against opposition forces in recent elections. As a military leader, his approach could be seen as one of the revitalizes discipline and purpose within the party. Supporters argue that his ascent could pave the way for much needed reforms and the renewed focus on priorities of everyday Zimbabweans. Domashoko ari panapa vanhu vachitrust and kubhilivha muna VP Kutsano Chiwenga. Modze mafungiro enyu uri kudii pamusoro these supporters who are encouraging kuti VP ngavapinde panguva inoibva. Subscribe or like on the bell icon.